Hi guys, this video is to help you with your Unit 5, Day 5 worksheet, and it's also to help you review a little bit for your quiz. So looking at number 1, my directions say to tell whether the slope of the line is positive, negative, 0, or undefined. So I see that slope is going, if I'm standing at the left-hand side, it's going uphill from left to right, so that is a positive slope. And I know that if I have a graph to find my slope, I'm going to use rise over run, so I'm going to write that formula. And I'm going up 1, 2, 3 boxes, and I'm going to the right 3 boxes. So that would be 3 over 3, and 3 divided by 3 is just 1. Okay. Looking at number 4, I know the slope of a line. If I'm using my slope formula, m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And I know I'm labeling my points x and y, but then this first one gets 1s because that is my first point. The second one gets 2s because that is my second point. And now we're going to substitute in. So I've got negative 11 minus negative 5 over 6 minus negative 3. On top, that's going to give me a negative 6. On the bottom, that's going to give me 9. Remember, we want to reduce that, so it's going to be negative 2/3. Okay. Taking a quick look at number 8 at the bottom of the page, it says the graph shows the distance run by a cheetah as a function of time. A gazelle's top speed is 22 meters per second. Suppose you made a graph showing the distance run by the gazelle as a function of time. How would the graph of the gazelle compare to the graph of the cheetah? So, if we're looking at in 1 second, if the gazelle is running at 22 meters per second, in 1 second it's going to be over 1 up 22. At 2 seconds it would be at 44. At 3 seconds it would be at 66. Okay. And by putting in those dots, we can see that the slope would be less steep. So the graph would compare the slope of the gazelle would be less steep than the cheetah graph. Okay. If you have any questions, please let us know.